Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamazagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata Reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo na ating mga gabay. So this is weekly gabay for the month of March 1 hanggang March 7 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Pero guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos of the request. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig nag-uumabong na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilaw? So guys, ito na tunghayan at bubulabugin natin, Angel Spirit. Please give me an information po. Okay, there's a Four of Swords. So there's something a rest. So kailangan mag-beauty rest din at the same time, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo ng pahinga and of course, listen to your intuitions. No, listen to your gut feeling. So there's something an information with the Six of Cups. Now there's something a past person coming back, no? May taong babalik from the past. Or there's something a reminiscence or a situation, no? Rather, a familiarity, no? May mga nangyari sa nakaraan na maaaring kumbaga biglang, kumbaga may mga nangyari sa nakaraan na parang pinapaalala sa'yo na kailangan mag-pay attention ka. Ganon. No, there's a purpose of your intuition and the Queen of Cups of the emotional healing. So, ibig sabihin dito, kalmado ka na, okay na yung pakiramdam mo, unti-unti nang, kumbaga, nagiging balanse ang iyong emotion, no? Kayang-kaya mo na mag-relax, kayang-kaya mo nang, kumbaga, maging kalmado. Additional messages. And of course, this is something, the Eight of Cups, for moving forward, no? Unti-unti ka na makaka-move on for this situation. And this is something, getting away from this situation, guys. No? And of course, unleave the unhealthy situation. And there's a Three of Cups for celebration coming in, guys, a happiness. No, there is something, a family gathering. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's something, the Four of Wands, by celebration. Alam nyo guys, there is a double configuration with something, a celebration coming in for you, no? May mga celebration talaga magaganap for you na magdadala sa something na new beginning. Ganon, no? Maaaring, kumbaga, magiging maganda talagang ikot ang kapalaran sa'yo ngayong linggong to. What is the Four of Swords? Referencing with the Justice card. Ooh, karma is waving. So, pinapakita dito na maaaring lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay maaaring bumalik sa iyo. Consequences, no? There's something for with a rest. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga, no? Kailangan mong kasi there's something consequence. Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi mo pinahinga yung sarili mo, ano yung aanihin mo, diba? Kumbaga magkakasakit ka, ganyan, kaya kailangan mo ipahinga yan, no? What is the, there is something, a Six of Cups. Represent what? The Six of Cups represent with the King of Wands, something a vision. Titignan mo lagi yung possibilities, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na nangyari from the past na kailangan matuto ka na. No? Kumbaga mas matalos lang utak at isip mo. What is the Queen of Cups? Represent what? Represent with the Death card. This is something an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na. May mga bagay na sisimulan na. No, maaaring matapos na yung ano mo dito, yung feeling guilty or feeling yung hindi ka maka-move on, parang ganon. Yung parang trust issue, ganon. Yung parang feeling mo ang hirap-hirap magtiwala ulit, parang ganon. So, let's see. There's something, the King of Cups, for devoted, supportive person. Na may taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito na magdadala sa'yo ng moving forward. So, this is the Three of Cups represented with the Kingman. No? Baguhin mo yung perspective or any beliefs, no? Or mindset mo. No? Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung ayaw mo maulit-ulit yung nangyari from the past, kailangan matuto ka na. Para hindi ka binubudol o hindi ka, kumbaga, pinagsasamantalahan, no? Yung iyong pagiging generous, pagiging mabait, ganito, ganyan, no? of soft-hearted, ganon. What is the Four of Wands? Represent what? So this is a strength card for confident. Lakas loob, tapang, mong, kumbaga nalagpasan to, magtutuloy-tuloy na yung celebration na darating sa buhay mo. There's a Four of Swords, the Justice card. Represent with the Seven of Swords. There's a sneakiness cheating lying on you, no? Kumbaga may mga taong, kumbaga nagsisinungaling behind you, but don't you worry, karma, no? Will bite their ass. Diba? Kumbaga, talagang ibabalik sa kanila yung mga bagay na what they deserve. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo, maraming taong tumitingin sa'yo, no? Hayaan mo sila. Ganun lang yon. The Six of Cups is the King of Wands. Represent with the Queen of Wands. So, there is something confident. Confident is your key to success. Diba? Magiging matagumpay ka dito, kailangan titingnan mo lagi yung bigger picture or kumbaga yung magiging outcome in a new possibilities. Ganon. Kumbaga, natuto ka na na dapat tinitignan mo yung hinaharap, no? Hindi yung nakaraan. Basta sinasabi sa iyo, yung aral na gawa na nakaraan, bit-bitin mo yun, no? Para sa mga bagong eksena mo. What is the Queen of Cups? Because of that card. Represent with the Five of Wands. Maraming competitors, maraming complication, but this is the end. No? Parang sinabi na tapos na, no? Tapos na yung yung pagiging nila sa'yo. No? Ginulo yung utak mo, yung isip mo, bullies. Tapos na yung mga bullies na yan. What is that Eight of Cups? Because the King of Cups. So there's a Knight of Pentacles with security. Na magiging secure ka ngayon sa sarili mo, sa finances mo, even in any information na meron ka. Na magiging privacy and low-key ka na. So let's see what is the Three of Cups because the Hangman. There's a Six of Swords. No? There's a transition. No, malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo, hindi lang, no, sa iyong galawan, sa iyong mindset, sa iyong thoughts, no, hindi ka na basta-basta nag-share ng kahit anong information, no? Kumbaga dati transparent ka, dati parang kumbaga ikaw yung nagbibigay ng information sa kanila kahit hindi sila nagtatanong. Ngayon magiging wais ka na. And there's a Four of Swords, the Strength card. Represent with the King of Pentacles being practicality. No, ngayon practical ka na. And of course, parang tinitignan mo na lagi magiging possibilities ng eksena. No? Malakas ka na, malakas ang pakiramdam mo. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay ay tinitignan mo na magtatagumpay ka. Ganon. What is the additional messages for the outcome? For the outcome is the Ace of Cups. For something, a love offer. No? And the Eight of Wands, something a fast communication and fast movement, maaaring makakapag-travel kayo ng person mo. And there's something a teamwork. No? Maaaring nagtutulungan na kayo ngayon ng asawa mo, jowa mo, or partner mo. No? Maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng travel, lahat ng adventurous, no? So, ang daming gala, ang daming rampa, ang daming kung saan kayo mapupunta. So, let's see guys, no? What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, there's an Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Talagang magtagumpay talaga dito. No, magtatagumpay ka for finances. And you were on the spotlight. Diba? Pinagtitingin na kanila and there's a chart for a movement. Unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng changes sa buhay mo. Even your finances, there's something of flow. No, ang bilis ng daloy, just focus. The Eight of Pentacles is just something, kumbaga mag-focus and being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, mag-focus ka, taking action, and because sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng victory and success. No? So, let's see, pagdating sa love life, anong chika ng ating gabay? So, this is something, an information with the Queen of Swords. No, there's something, a bigger picture. Kumbaga malayo pala, nakikita nyo na yung magiging eksena yung dalawa. And this is something the Seven of Wands, that you are being protected together. No? Protektado kayong dalawa. No? At pinuproteksyonan nyo yung isa't isa. And there's something the Seven of Cups. No? Marami kayong plano, pinag-iisipan nyo na yung mga bagay na gusto nyo mangyari in the near future. And this is something that Ten of Pentacles. There's something for long term. Diba? Kumbaga meron ka dito financial security and financial windfall at the same time. This is something for long term, no? Long term relationship, ganon. Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's a Seven of Pentacles with harvest moment. Talaga yung sarili mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay magre-reflect sa iyong kalusugan. And this is something the Ace of Wands, no? Ibig sabihin dito magkakaroon ka ng panibagong ideas, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng na alagaan mo na yung sarili mo ngayon, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng magandang kaisipan, magandang plano kung paano mo pagagandain yung iyong kalusugan. It's good. So let's see what is the synchronicity to represent what. So there is a fall. Oh my God. So unti-unti siyang babagsak or unti-unti siyang dadaloy, no? Flow into your arms. Talagang babagsak siya para malaman mo lahat ng mga bagay na para sa'yo. And there's something communication. No, communication is the key. And there's an eagle and there's a lot of messages. Na maraming mensahe sa iyo ang ating gabay na kumbaga keep going, hold your vision. The eagle is something give you an instinct, a vision, an intuitions, no, vibrations. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? There's a design. No, meron ka ditong anak na lalaki, or there's a design. Or nag-iisa ka anak na lalaki, or, and there's a summer. No, ngayong summer season, there's a something to answer you need is coming away. No, masasagot na talaga ng lahat ng katanungan mo. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? A yin and yang oracle card represent with, reunion. Reunite, no? There is a certain reconciliation. Na parang sinasabi dito na maaaring ibabalik na muli, no? Ang mga bagay na kinagisnan. And there's a self-care. Ang alagaan mo ang sarili mo, mahalin mo ang sarili mo. And there's a spying looking, watching at you. Marami sumusubaybay sa'yo, marami nakatingin sa'yo. No, hindi lang siya ng evil eye or something ng mga taong inggitera. Kundi there's a lot of customer, client, no? Na maaaring hinahanap ka. Oh, talaga ba? What is the additional messages? With the Romance angels represent what? Represent with the intimacy. See? Kumbaga magkakaroon kayo ng bonding sa isa't isa ng iyong partner. Totoo ba? Nasa harap ng beach, ang harap additional messages, and there's a bliss and happiness. So, say magiging masaya ka na, and there's a storm. No, this is something a beautiful disaster with a storm. No, ang storm dito na pinabahagi sa akin ay, kumbaga, hindi unos, no? Kundi ito ay isang bagay na parang magandang pagkasira, no, ng isang situation na parang hindi mo natupad tong bagay na to o hindi mo to nakuha tong bagay na to kasi there's something a good opportunity for you, no, na talaga naka-line up na mangyari, no, kumbaga na delay, something cancellation, yung plano kasi may mas maganda pa siya, no, na ibibigay sa'yo, ganon. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there's a changes, diba? Unti-unti nang magbabago. And there's a keep yourself balanced. Na magiging balance ka emotional, physical, mental. Ganon. What is Archangel Michael messages? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, one more card please. And there's a pay attention to your dreams, no? Kailangan tumutok sa ano ba pangarap mo, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. And there's a decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo mag-decision, magiging masaya ka ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman. And this is something, spend more time outdoors. So, kailangan mo talagang, kumbaga, pumunta na ibang lugar, no, unwind, no, para ma-refresh, and of course, para ma-retreat yung utak mo. Ganon. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? Represent what? There's a year from now. Ngayong taon na to talaga, no, there's a possible na this is something a big changes. And there's a no. Marunong ka dapat humindi, no? And this is something a success coming in for you. Diba? There is a something tagumpay. Talaga, kampay. Ganon. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. May magiging matagumpay dito, ha? Sa plano, desisyon, ganon. And there is something creation, no? It's a power of God, no? May mga bagay na talagang ibibigay sa'yo, bubuuin sa'yo, and there's a destiny to happen. Diba? Kumbaga talaga nakalatag to ng mga bagay na to, na ay para sa'yo, kahit there's an impasse, no? There's a something na pagharang. Harangin mang ng ninuman, no? Subukan mang buwagin ng ninuman, pero tandaan mo, destiny is destiny. Diba? Na pag nasa palad mo, nasa palad mo. Ganon. What is the Romance angels represent what? And there's something, this could be the one. No, maaring first mo siya na yun. No, siya na talaga yung para sa'yo. And there's something religious factor. No, meron ditong kumbaga about sa relasyon na maaring pinagbuklod ng tadhana. Or meron ditong parehas kayong kumbaga nagkasala. Parehas kayo dito na parang pinagsama ng isa't isa sa dami ng pangyayari sa buhay nyo, no? Parehas kayo may asawa pero nahanap nyo sa isa't isa ang kalinga at pagmamahal. Ganon ang harot. What is additional messages? So this is something a past over loved ones. Support with the guidance, no? There is just something ancestor guides. And there's something a love, no? Compassion. And there is something a direction with a perfect timing. See? I told you. It's all about perfect timing, no? There's a soul plan, destiny plan, no? Talagang lahat ng mga bagay dito, guys, talagang naka-line up. No, nakalinya talaga ay para sa'yo. What is Arcangel Raphael messages? Arcangel Raphael messages represent what? Wait for a minute. Nalaglag ang cards. And of course, this is something relationship. It's all about love. It's all about partnership. No? Meron talaga dito about sa pag-ibig. No? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys. Angel spirit, give me an information pa. Represent you're not alone. So, you're feeling isolated, but hindi ka nag-iisa, no? Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, and this is something, I'm sorry, no? May hihingin ng tawad from the past. And this is something, a child of the cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. Na binibigyan ka ng katalinuhan ng ating Panginoon, ng ating mga gabay, ng ating mundo, o ng ating kaluwakan. Ganon. Kumbaga, binibigay sa'yo lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman at maunawaan. So, let's see what is additional messages. Represent with the music, no? Makakatulong daw ang music for healing energy, guys. And there's a school, no? There's something, a lesson na kailangan mo laging pakakatandaan. Do more research, no? Let's see what is the energy represent what? Represent a door to the value. Bukas ang pintuan para sa mas malalaking halaga. There's a lot of dollar, there's a lot of money, peso, anything. Malalaking pera ang papasok sa iyo, and this is something angel of strength. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay dahil ito na, di ba? Papasok na talaga ang panibagong eksena. Additional Mansology represent what? Hold your vision. I told you, di ba? Pangawakan mo yung mga bagay na nakikita mo, manifest it, no? Desires into reality. And this is something, nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation kung hindi ka magtitake ng action. Diba? Wala naman swerte papasok kung wala kang sipag. Diba? Wala kang tiyaga, wala kang diskarte. What is your Jesus loving God said? Diba? Kailangan, there's a something combination. Dapat magkasama yung combo, dapat yan. May sipag ka, may tiyaga ka, at the same time. Dapat may swerte. And this is a Jesus loving quote said, judge not that you be the judge, no? Huwag mong husgahan ng ating Panginoon sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo, there's a life purpose. No, there's a something destiny to happen. Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa iyo, isang hakbang at isang paalala lang na kailangan mo magbalik loob sa Kanya. Gawin mo sentro ang ating Panginoon, gagawin ka niyang sentral, no? At magiging maganda ang buhay at kapalaran mo. What is an angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent 10, 11, boy. With a starting over, no? Ito na ang simula. No? Ito na. There's an intelligence and dynamics. And this is something a personal or spiritual development. Happiness is linked to your self-expression, growth experiences. Learning from failure is the key. Happiness is a real, possible, and around. Understand is a process, and the pursuit of it. Joy is a fluid. It is an life things. At okay, ulit. Little things are the big ones. Fails are fun. Start fresh. So see, kumbaga talagang sinasabi na makakapagsimula ka ng panibagong eksena. This is the moment na para baguhin na no ang yung kinagisnan at yung kumbaga na simulan. Na unti-unti ka na magiging maganda takbo ng eksena mo at unti-unti nang babaguhin, no? Ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. Ito na, ang messages of life represent what? Represent with a achievement. So see, this is something step by step. Stairs, hagdan, no? Yung sinasabi talaga sa'yo dito na unti-unti na to. Diba? Panghawakan mo to. As I advance on the road towards achievement, I discovered my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe in my truest potential. Today, I have faith in my abilities and myself. I move towards fulfillment of my visions. I reach my objectives. I am courageous. I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka naliligaw. Alam mo sa sarili mo na ang mga gabay ay tinutusay ang tamang daan, ang tamang landasin. So, kaya kailangan mo kumapit na maniwala at magtiwala na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo, ay nandyan lang ang ating Panginoon ginagabayan ka. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 1 hanggang March 7 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget, to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik leg na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!